Hi everyone, Michael Xylas here with Abrams Garfinkel Margolis Berkson. And I'm here to tell you about an interesting new law that came out. Governor Hochul just signed it in the past month, and it's called the Ground Lease Renewal Law. And it's allowing for early renewal of ground leases on co-op buildings. Now, why is that important? Well, most mortgages that are taken out either on a building or for a unit shareholder are typically 30-year terms. So when the co-op's ground lease actually has something close to that, say 35 years or less, it's been a real problem for shareholders and co-op buildings to refinance because the banks are not inclined to do that when they're not exactly sure what the reset terms are going to be. So what does that end up doing? That really cripples the apartment value and it makes them harder to sell. So typically a land lease on a co-op is around 99 years. Now, if you figure that there's an opportunity to renew that a little bit early, you're going to have a much more competitive environment. To understand a little bit more about co-ops and what a ground lease is, all it really means is that the co-op doesn't actually own the land underneath which the building sits. So they have to pay ground rent or rent value to the land lease owner. And again, those are the types of things that we can explain to you at AGMB as we handle mortgage financing, co-op and condo purchases and sales, and all the things that are related to ground lease that you may have questions about. Please feel free to reach out and I'd be happy to explain this in more detail. Thank you.